to our channel Technology Guide. Today we are going to unbox the Panasonic Hair Dryer. See that, we can unbox that. Panasonic Hair Dryer, model number EHND11A, and this is the fast drying and easy styling. 1000 watts of power. It has 3 operating modes, which is on and step 1, step 2 for different speeds. We can find here specs of the product. This is the fast drying and easy styling. 1000 watt. Let's unbox this. See, this is the continent Asia. Yeah, this and this is the Panasonic India Private Limited certificate warranty card. This is warranty card. We can apply this art and see manual of the Panasonic Hair Dryer. Now let's know about the product quality and how it works. As we can see here, 2 set modes are on, step 1 and step 2. See, Panasonic model number 1000 watts. This is same color blue, and this is the model number and this is the wire to connect the plug. And let's open that and check the whether it's good or not. This is the off, and this is step 1. This is step 2. And again, this is step 1. This is step 2. Okay, let's have this. Working fine and good quality of this. This product link is given in description. Okay. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to Technology Guide.